Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the extravagant lifestyles of the rich and famous? How do some individuals manage to accumulate millions, even billions, while others struggle to make ends meet? In this eye-opening video, we unveil the mysterious paths that lead to unimaginable wealth. Buckle up, because if you don't watch until the end, you might miss the golden opportunity to unlock your own financial freedom. But first, hit subscribe to stay connected and always the first to see what new hacks lie in wait for you. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. Mastering a high-income profession. Excelling in a lucrative field can pave your path to millionaire status. Doctors, lawyers, and top executives routinely earn over $150,000 annually. Hyper-specialization amplifies earning potential, with the top 1% of salespeople netting over $250,000 yearly. Grant Cardone and Jeffrey Gitomer are renowned sales experts whose teachings can elevate your skills. Number 2. The unlikely millionaire, self-publishing sensation. Contrary to popular belief, you needn't pen a literary masterpiece to attain wealth through writing. Amanda Hocking, repeatedly rejected by publishers, self-published her novels on Kindle and amassed over $2.5 million within 20 months. Leveraging an existing audience, whether through podcasts, blogs, or YouTube, can significantly boost book sales. Number 3. Striking gold. Licensing your inventions. Lonnie Johnson's tale exemplifies the riches awaiting inventors who license their creations. Despite lacking business expertise, he licensed his Super Soaker technology to Hasbro, earning over $100 million in royalties. Meticulously documenting your invention's workings can secure your claim to ownership, even without an issued patent. Number 4. The dropshipping dynamo. Dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. Greta Van Susteren capitalized on this model, earning over $500,000 monthly by marketing weight loss teas sourced inexpensively. Kylie Jenner's cosmetics empire, now nearing billionaire status, also leverages dropshipping for production and fulfillment. Number 5. The steady climb. Growing a small business. While specific strategies vary, nurturing a small business through consistent growth is a well-trodden path to millionaire status. Solve a problem, generate revenue, and strategically expand operations. Countless entrepreneurs have transformed modest startups into million-dollar empires through dedication and perseverance. Number 6. Mastering the magic of compound interest. Leveraging compound interest can transform modest savings into immense wealth over time. Investing consistently in index funds like the S&P 500, which has historically yielded 10% annual returns, allows your money to multiply exponentially. Tony Robbins's Money, Master the Game is the acclaimed resource on building wealth safely. Number 7. Crypto fortunes. Launching an ICO. The cryptocurrency realm has minted millionaires at an astonishing pace through initial coin offerings, ICOs. Blockchain-based companies raise funds by issuing tokens, which can skyrocket in value if the product succeeds. While investing in others' ICOs carries risks, creating your own cryptocurrency venture could potentially yield immense rewards. Number 8. The franchise formula for financial freedom. Purchasing a franchise enables you to operate an established business with proven systems and branding. While costs like franchise fees and liquid asset requirements vary, franchises offer a streamlined path to profitability. Dunkin' Donuts, for example, requires $90,000 in franchise fees plus $250,000 in liquid assets. Number 9. Striking subscription service gold. Subscription services, when executed well, can rapidly generate millions in recurring revenue. Netflix, with over 125 million subscribers paying at least $7.99 monthly, netted $11 billion in 2017 alone. Identifying a service people will pay for consistently is key to this lucrative model. Number 10. The millionaire's mentorship. Perhaps the swiftest path to millionaire status is working directly for someone who has already achieved billionaire wealth. The wealthy generously compensate those who provide immense value by saving them time or increasing profits. Cultivating a trust-based relationship with a super wealthy mentor can open doors to life-changing opportunities. Number 11. Going viral. YouTube's millionaire makers. In the modern era, going viral on YouTube can translate to million-dollar windfalls. Psy's Gangnam Style raked in over $8 million through advertising and associated opportunities. Leveraging a viral video's exposure, Creators like the Paul brothers have built lucrative empires through merchandise and endorsements. Number 12, the blogging bonanza. Soaring to over 40 million monthly blog views can mint you as a millionaire through advertising revenue alone. Scott DeLong exemplified this trajectory, launching Viral Nova in 2014 and selling it 18 months later for a reported $100 million after monetizing viral content sharing. Number 13, App Fortunes, the million user milestone. While challenging, creating an app that attracts over 1 million users can be immensely lucrative. From Candy Crush's $1 million daily peak to meditation, AppCalm's $250 million valuation in-app purchases have proven to be game changers. Fortnite's rapid $1 billion success demonstrates the massive potential in this space. Number 14, cashing in on Twitch, the live streaming windfall. Live streaming platforms like Twitch have enabled a new breed of millionaire content creators. With revenue sources including paid subscriptions, direct viewer donations, and lucrative sponsorships, top streamers like Ninja generate $500,000 to $1 million monthly from their broadcasts alone. Number 15, the timeless trade. Buy, flip, repeat. The age-old strategy of buying low and selling high remains a viable path to wealth. Benjamin Kicks exemplifies this, building a $1 million annual sneaker reselling business at just 16 years old by capitalizing on consumer demand for exclusive items. This model extends across numerous markets from real estate to antiques. If the prospect of attaining financial freedom has piqued your curiosity, then keep exploring our trove of videos. We've only scratched the surface of the countless strategies employed by the ultra-wealthy to amass their fortunes. From unconventional business models to leveraging emerging technologies, a world of surprises awaits those daring enough to embark on this journey. Embrace the possibilities, and you might just find yourself on the path to realizing your wildest dreams of wealth and prosperity.